Hey everybody, welcome back to another Tuesday grilling and smoking video. I think I've mentioned before, we have the PitBoss Pro Series combo. It's a pellet smoker on this side, gas grill on that side with a side burner. We've been really playing a lot with the smoking side of this. It's been a lot of fun. But today we're going to do a really quick and simple dessert on the grill. This is a great summertime item, simple to do, easy, and tastes absolutely delicious. The kids love it, and frankly, so do I. I'll show you a couple different variations of how you can go ahead and make them as well. This is going to be smoked peaches with a little bit of mascarpone cheese on the top. Amazing. First thing we're going to do is get this guy turned on. I already got it on the smoke setting. It's at about 185 degrees right now. I'm going to crank it up to about 250. Don't want to go much more than that. All right, let's prep our peaches. So as I mentioned before, our ingredients are really easy with this. Peaches, a little bit of mascarpone cheese. You could probably use any kind of sweet thing you want. You could put vanilla ice cream on it. The other option that's really good is a little bit of honey on the top of it as well. So I don't know if you know it, there's two kinds of peaches. There's what they call freestone and clingstone peaches. And as the name implies, it's whether or not the stone clings to the flesh inside or not. Most grocery stores don't do a great job of actually explaining which is which, so I guess we'll find out in a second together as to which kind these are. I did go ahead and get two different varieties. I got what they just called southern peaches down here, or Georgia peaches, and then I also got some white peaches, only because the white ones felt a little bit more ripe. So I'm just going to take these and we're going to cut them right down the center. The easiest way to do it is just sort of roll your knife along these. Now ideally, if they're good and ripe, you should be able to twist this like that. And interestingly enough, this stone actually cracked right in half. That's very odd. Hey, right over here. Hey, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like and a thumbs up. Thanks a bunch, man, appreciate it. That one's broken. So there's a couple ways you could do this. You want to get a little bit of olive oil on the side that's going to go down on the grill. I just have a really shallow pan. I'm just going to add some olive oil right into it. I'm just going to dip the peaches in this. You can also just brush it on, whatever's easier for you. But it really is as simple as just dipping it in there like that and then popping it right onto the grill. I got you. So we just have them cut side down, lightly olive oiled. You see a couple of orange slices in there I'm trying out. And we want them to go for about 10 or 15 minutes. So once these have gone for about 10 to 15 minutes and they have a couple of grill marks on the bottom, we just want to take a pair of tongs and turn them over the other way. And we want to leave them sitting with the skin side down, not the cut side down, just until they get soft and warm all the way through. It usually takes 10 to 15 minutes additionally on that side as well. That's all you need. And frankly, that's just for taste. You could leave them cold if you wanted to, but what's really nice about this is you get them nice and warm, drizzle a little bit of honey on it, or a little dollop of vanilla ice cream, or a little bit of that mascarpone cream, and you let that just sort of settle down into the where the pit hole was. Man, it's good stuff too. Let's come back to this in about 10 minutes and flip them. These have been on about 10 minutes. They've got a nice little grill mark on the bottom. We're just going to open this up and we're going to flip them over. So we just want to turn these over. We got these nice grill marks on them. We want to turn them over with the skin side down now. And this is going to make a nice little reservoir for that cheese or honey or ice cream or whatever you decide to put in them. I'm going to try to get these a little bit more concentrated around the heat here. So I did just smoke one slice of grapefruit just to see how it is warm. It still tastes very grapefruity. It's almost like there's an outer skin on it that's a little bit more dry, and then it's real juicy inside. Tastes okay, but it's definitely a weird thing. You're not used to having grapefruit warm. But tastes good nonetheless. All right, I've opened up the flame grate just to go ahead and get some nice flame marks right on these. All right, let's get these dressed and give them a shot. Okay, as you can see, we've got all of our peaches here. I'm just going to do a little bit of honey on a couple of them. I don't have any vanilla ice cream, so we're not going to be doing that on any. Just again, a really light drizzle. I'm doing on these two center ones here. Now for the mascarpone, I think I'm going to do it right here. Now you could use your imagination. Whipped cream, mascarpone, cream cheese. There's probably a lot of things that would be pretty good on there. So let's go ahead and try first the white peach with just plain honey on it. It's pretty much just all natural, and it's good. I have a feeling that Georgia peaches or southern peaches are going to be better, the yellowish ones. That's what I have here. And it is. They're just hands down sweeter. That's good. Now let's try the white peach with mascarpone on it. Trying to aim this so it doesn't all run off of there. You know, little melted butter and brown sugar will probably be good on these too. That's really good. It's not overly sweet that way. And now the southern peach. Well, that is some kind of good. If you want a quick and easy dessert while you have the grill going, you could do this on a gas grill, a charcoal grill, or a pellet smoker. Any way you want is fine. I think a little bit of melted butter, a little bit of brown sugar, honey, maple syrup, mascarpone cheese, ice cream, whipped cream, any of that would just be phenomenal. Heck, a little bit of heavy cream just drizzled over it would probably be delicious as well. But I'm gonna go ahead inside. Deb has made some buffalo chicken wings on a Hooters style. We love those, and she makes them in the air fryer at home. They're really good. So I'm gonna go on in and have dinner, and this will be our dessert for all of us. We'll see y'all next Tuesday when we have another grilling and smoking video. Bye y'all, have fun grilling.